Hey Angus, I dare you to go down and get that ball.
What's down there? There are stories that children who go down there never come back up. You two need to come with you too, Jack. Come on. This place is really scary. If we can't find the ball, can't we just go up and find a new ball?
Stop being labeling, let's explore. Wow. Lovely dog.
I know. The ball could be here. Where is it?
Okay, Elena and I are gonna go down there. We have to split up and just go down.
Call us if you find the ball. This place is very spooky. It seems like it never ends. This place is so scary. Can't we just find a new ball?
Stop being so lame, Elena.
Stop being so mean.
It's just a ball, Elena.
We can buy a new one.
No, we don't. It's £5. What are you? Oh my gosh. Help me!
Angus, there you are. I've been looking for all over the place. Run! There's a monster. Run!
Is that a screaming pig?
Okay, action.
What am I to say?
The monster's about to kill you.
Oh my gosh, the monster's about to kill me. Ah! What noise does a monster make? Yeah, well...